Alright, I'm going to show you how to create a cloze passage question type in Edulastic. You're going to select Author New Question, choose Text Entry as your option, and you start typing your passage. A diddle diddle, the cat and I want them to give the answer fiddle. Choose Accept Answer. You can continue. The dog ran away with the. To add another text entry box, you click right here on this A to Z Add Text Entry, and that gives you another one. So I select that one. Dog ran away with a spoon. Accept Answer. I could then continue on with my passage if I had more, but I will show you what it looks like. I'm just going to say that's RL34, going to preview question, and this is what the kids will see. So they click in that box, they type in their answer, click Submit, and it will be correct or not. Now sometimes you might want the kids to answer a longer, it's not a set word like this one is. You could also just type, let's say I need to change this one. I'm going to click on that box, see how it shows fiddle down here. If I click on this one, it says spoon. I'm going to go back here, and I just want them to give me an answer, but it may not be a set answer. This is another option. Click Accept Answer. Now it is going to, when they submit this question, it's going to tell them all of their answers are incorrect, but you can go in and see what their answer is. So it's not really an auto-graded one, but it is another way to utilize this option. And you go ahead and hit Save and Proceed and Publish or Assign, just like you would any other assessment.